Welcome to Developing Creativity and Drawing Skills. Do you remember as a kid lying on your back looking at clouds and seeing dragons and elephants parade through the sky? Throughout this class, you will harness this natural creative ability by learning how to find inspiration in your everyday surroundings, develop your creativity, and push through creative block by learning how to create quick sketches on photographs using Procreate. You'll use these skills to create your own quick sketches that will transform everyday objects into the unexpected in what I like to call a photo mashup. These skills will help you identify the basic shapes needed to draw and to find inspiration in your everyday life. The fact that the sketches are quick means we won't get lost in detail or perfection, and your projects will be clean, quick and simple. Hi, I'm Eve, the founder of Creative Design and Desert Dwellers, a desert-inspired lifestyle brand. I'm a self-taught graphic designer, surface designer and watercolorist, and I've been a commissioned artist since I was 10 years old. My art is strongly influenced by the environment and the culture I'm currently exploring. If you pop on over to my Instagram profile to see if you can guess where in the world I'm spending a lot of my time these days, and follow along with me so we can explore new cultures through art together. This class is perfect for beginners or more advanced artists who are new to Procreate. Your lessons will be kept at an introductory level, but I'll be throwing in more advanced tips and tricks as well. By the end of this class, you will learn drawing techniques, how to find inspiration in your everyday surroundings, push through creative block, and you will know your way around the basic features of Procreate so you can continue your creativity independently. We will be using the Procreate app and the Apple Pencil to draw, but you can also follow along by printing your own photos and drawing on them with a pencil and markers. You can be a beginner in drawing and a beginner user in Procreate. I use these exercises to get creativity flowing instead of staring at a blank screen. It's also my go-to warm-up exercise before I begin creating colouring book pages or just beginning my artwork. It helps me focus on the essential shapes that make up the items I plan to draw, so I can simplify my illustrations into outlines only for the colouring page. During this class, I will walk you through 3 quick sketch photo mashups, and we will build on your skills in each sketch. We will focus on something as ordinary as lampposts using photos I've provided for you. We will then turn these 3 photos of different lampposts into 3 new objects: a pair of balancing scales, an old-fashioned gentleman, and a UFO. During each quick sketch, we will explore basic tools on Procreate, and I'll be sure to introduce you to more advanced shortcuts as well. We will be using photo adjustments, layers, pen tool, selection tool, and much more. After this class, you will know your way around the basic features of Procreate, so you can keep creating on your own. These quick sketches will help you identify and draw basic shapes that form complex objects to create your own illustrations. To give you some context, I live in a compound in the middle of the desert. All of the homes in the compound look exactly the same. The nearest town is over an hour away, so I can't go there for inspiration. I found I was challenged to find inspiration for my art because everything looked the same, even down to the furniture in everyone's homes. So I challenged myself to search for a new perspective, and my 60-second sketches were a result of that. I found that my community really loved these 60-second sketch series. They wanted to participate in what I was going to draw next. I loved asking them to join in, and they loved seeing the extraordinary world I created in our very own town. This class will teach you the foundations for finding this sort of inspiration in the everyday and turning the ordinary into the extraordinary. You'll never unsee the creative possibilities around you. See you in class.